You've all heard about the new products. These are products that have been doing well. They've proven themselves in the marketplace. Let's look at some of the new products. Affinity Funeral, from as little as 50 Rand a month. So you might have people that only want funeral cover. You've got it. Family funeral cover, coming soon. Very, very soon. Affinity Motor. Some of you guys have heard about Affinity Motor. I think at some stage one of the older agents, or some of the older agents, might have actually sold Motor. There will be 3 plans, road assistance from as little as 49 Rand a month. Now, look at the industry-related pricing, and you'll see that we're actually very cheap. Motor care, dents, scratches, all those things, 139 Rand a month. And then Affinity Motor Platinum, that covers a whole array of things that we won't get into now, will be 169 Rand a month. Affinity Health Junior. How many times have some of you agents met somebody that says, you know what, now I'm over 55, I can't take the hospital plan, I can't take this plan, I'm so old, but I want the cover for my son or for my daughter. Or you might actually be the guardian of somebody, and you don't want to take cover out for yourself, you just want to take cover out for the child. This is brand new in the industry, it's an exclusive product, nobody else is doing it, Affinity's just done it.